From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Paige Johnson, student meteorologist at Penn State Campus Weather Service for your Wednesday afternoon forecast. So as we're looking at today's temperatures here in State College at Beaver Stadium, we can see it is mostly cloudy, but there are some pretty notable breaks in the clouds here where the sun will peek out. And then for today, the high is 50 degrees. We have some slightly higher wind temperatures, so it might be a little bit more brisk. It does feel like 50 degrees, and those temperatures will remain about the same for the rest of the day. So as we look towards the rest of the Commonwealth, we can see some pretty notable differences between the western versus eastern part of Pennsylvania. So we have some higher temperatures here in Philadelphia. In State College, we're at 50, same for most of the surrounding areas here in the middle. But at the western end of the Commonwealth, especially around the Great Lakes at Erie here, we can see some lower temperatures. And this is likely because of, as you can see here, this lake effect rain coming in, making things cooler. And this lake effect rain is bringing in clouds for Pennsylvania. So we will continue to see, as we see here, we can see Harrisburg State College, mostly cloudy, but there are some pretty notable breaks between the clouds. But in Pittsburgh and Erie, at the western part of the state, we have some pretty heavy cloud cover. In Erie, you can even see that it is raining, and the temperatures are a little bit different. We are a bit warmer, of course, as we don't have as much cloud cover. So as we look towards future weather for the rest of Wednesday, we can see that this lake effect rain in Erie will be bringing in some clouds to us and towards the eastern part of the state. This will continue to Thursday, as we'll see some probably increased cloud cover, increased possibility of rain for us in the middle of State College. But it does seem that this seems like it will clear up a little bit on Friday, likely because of the mountains here, blocking some of that cloud cover and some of that rain. So as we look towards the future precip for the rest of the Commonwealth, we can see here in State College we will be getting some precip, but this won't be quite as heavy as the precip that we see here lining the lakes, as this lake effect rain is once again bringing in rain, clouds, and precip to the state. So as we look towards today's forecast, the high will be 53, and we'll have a 10% chance of precip, so mostly just cloudy conditions. And then for tonight, we will have a low of 42, with it remaining cloudy for the rest of the night. And then as we look towards tomorrow's forecast, we will have similar conditions as the temperatures will stay around 50. The chance for rain will be slightly lower, so it seems like we will mostly just have clouds for tomorrow. And then as we look towards our 7-day forecast, we can see that temperatures are going to remain slightly below average. The average for this time of year is in the higher 50s, so we are about 5 to 10 degrees below average currently. So thank you for listening. I'm Paige Johnson from Penn State Campus Weather Service, and I hope you have a great day.